Black Ops Sniper Rifle S. Let's check it out right now. What is going on, everyone? Riddict here, and welcome to Off the Shelf Airguns. That's right, today we have the Black Ops Sniper Rifle S in 22 caliber. And no, you're not seeing things. There is no scope on this, though it does come with the 4x32 scope. It also comes with open sights, mountable open sights. Huge selling point for me on this one. Previously, it did not have the option for open sights, but this newest updated model does. The suppressor here on the front is finally functional. This does serve a purpose now. In the past, it did not. Of course, you got your bipod legs there mounted to the Picatinny rail. They don't have to stay on there. You can take those off, which I may do in the future. Foam magazine opens at the bottom right here. You can put your tool or some extra pellets in there. A little lever there is just for show. Adjustable cheek rest. Nice rubber butt pad on the back there. And of course, you got that forward safety, as we've seen on many of these. Okay. Flip it over here. And it is a heavy one. Definitely not for the younger individual. Probably a good 10 pounds at least, or it's got to be somewhere in there, because it's a weighty one. Very cool though. It does claim 1,000 FPS with premium pellets alloy. Now, today, we're just going to be shooting some Ruger Super Points. And, it is a little tough to break down. It's not absolutely terrible, but it's a little snug. These do retail for about $180. Don't know if you're going to be able to find this particularly on the shelf, but I did get mine directly from Barra, aka Bear River, because they are Black Ops and Barra, Bear River, all one and the same. So it also does come in .177 caliber, and they do still offer up the spring piston version of 22 in this model as well. This is the nitro piston. That's what the S stands for, or so they say. So, without further ado, that thing punched it really hard. Now, as I was saying, about $180. You might be able to find them on sale, who knows. But like I said, I got mine directly from Barra. I'm really liking what these guys have been doing lately. And yeah, very cool. Love the open sights though. Absolutely love the fact that that's an option. Well, it's supposed to be a sniper rifle. Why don't you have the scope on it? It's supposed to be a sniper. Well, that's because I like open sights, and I like to have that option. I like to say, you know what? I'd like to have open sights on this. Is that an option? Yeah. All right, well, there you go. Plus, I'm only doing backyard plinking, so is optics really necessary for most of the time doing that? Not necessarily. But for those that get crazy and get hardcore, go hunting, all that stuff with your air guns, it does come with the 4x32 scope. You're probably going to end up using your own scope anyway, so yeah, that's that. We'll be doing some fun little tests with this down the road, but since I just got it, I wanted to share that with you guys. So there it is. Very, very cool. With that said, catch you all down the road.